Woman held after going missing from guest house with her lover's gun. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 7 TV News Report, and I'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest news report. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Links 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 7 TV News Report. A 21-year-old woman has been arrested and charged for illegal possession of firearm and ammunition and simple larceny following an incident at a guest house in Sandy Bay, Clarendon on Monday, July 12. The woman has so far been identified as Tanisha Brissett, a hotel worker of Lilliput, Montego Bay in St. James. Reports from the Maypen police are that on Sunday, July 11th at about 11:30 p.m., a man picked up Brissett along the roadway and assisted her to a guest house in the parish where they both spent the night. Reports are that before retiring to bed, the man placed a firearm and ammunition in a table drawer for safekeeping. He realized that when he reached home the following morning that he had forget the firearm and ammunition inside the drawer and went back to the guest house. But when he arrived there to retrieve the firearm was missing and also the female companion. A report was made to the police and a snap raid was carried out in the Bushy Park area of Maypen, Clarendon, where Brissett was located and the firearm found in a brown canvas bag. She was subsequently charged by the police. Her court date is being finalized by the police. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.